If you're looking for information regarding the Galaxy S10, you're in the right place, because I gathered everything we know about that beastly device coming up. What is up guys, and welcome again. If you're new here, I do regular awesome tech videos, so if you want to see more videos like the one you're watching, consider subscribing. And you can also press the like button to tell YouTube that this video should reach more people. Okay, first things first. There is a chance that there won't be a Galaxy S10. No, I don't mean that Samsung won't release a phone next year, but it may not be called the S10. In an interview with DJ Ko, head of Samsung's mobile division, he confirmed that the company is considering a name change for the Galaxy S9's follow-up. He doesn't believe they will change the label Galaxy, but they're thinking of dropping the S for something else. Now, why would they do that while it's a very popular branding? Well, it would make sense if they decided to call it Galaxy X or Galaxy 10. Then it would be simpler than using double-digit numbers. And then the follow-ups would be Galaxy X2, X3, X4 and so on. So this would be useful for the competition with Apple. 3D facial recognition. We should expect to see it finally with the Galaxy S10, because Samsung is working on that, and it does make sense because they should compete with Apple. The iPhone X's camera uses 30,000 invisible IR dots to scan your face, which is why Animoji looks a lot cleaner and more polished than Samsung's AR emoji, also less stuttery and creepy. Moving on to the processor. If you buy the Galaxy S10 in the US, expect a Snapdragon 855, which will be manufactured on the 7nm architecture. This is 3 nanometers better than the Snapdragon 845 with its 10nm architecture, which translates into a much faster processor with more power efficiency. Expect the next generation of Exynos processors to be speed killers as well, with the same 7nm technology. An in-display fingerprint scanner. In a previous video, I talked about why we might not see an in-display fingerprint scanner with the Galaxy Note 9. If that's the case, then there is a possibility that we first see it in a Samsung phone with the Galaxy S10. By next year, Synaptics will have improved its sensor to be faster and more reliable to meet Samsung's expectations. There is not much talk about the announcement and release date as for now, but it shouldn't be a lot different than Samsung's usual plan, so expect it to be announced at MWC 2019 or around it, and to be launched in March or April of the same year. So this is all that we know until now about the 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone. Of course, you know what happens when you press that subscribe button. I keep you updated with the latest news about the Galaxy S10. So thanks a lot for watching if you've made it till here, and I'll see you next time.